friends and family, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing good. So my friends, I'm back again today with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys, and it's my homemade pepper steak stir fry recipe that I've got to share with you guys today. And as always, I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got 1 kilogram of sliced beef meat, which I've pre-sliced it myself, and this is how it looks like, which I am going to marinate with the following ingredients. And they are 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic grated, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of steak seasoning, yes guys, and 1 tablespoon of no aroma seasoning. And as you guys know, there is no pepper steak without heat, so I'm going to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of grated red Scotch bonnet pepper and a little bit of salt to taste, as we do not need much salt for this one. Then also I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, followed by adding 2 tablespoons of raw honey, but if you can get hold of some honey, you can use brown sugar instead. And then to that I'm adding a bit of vegetables oil just to help mix our steak, and followed by adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and then 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and I will finish by adding 100 ml of beef stock. Then I will follow up by giving it a good mix until it's well mixed. Then I will cover it and I will set it aside for 2 hours. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. So guys, it's been 2 hours since my beef is marinating, and so far this is how it looks like, well seasoned and well marinated. So it's time to start cooking. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. And into my cooking pan, I'm going to add a bit of oil, followed by adding in the steak. And at this point, as you guys can see, I've got some marinade left from the beef, and I'm going to set that aside for later use. So then keep stirring until basically my beef meat is cooked. Then once it's cooked, I'm going to remove it and set it aside. Back to the cooking pan, I'm going to add just a tiny bit of little oil, then followed by adding a mix of garlic and ginger grated. Then I'll give it a quick stir, followed by adding 1 large white onion chopped in chunks, and 1 green bell pepper chopped in chunks. And then I'm also going to add 1 red bell pepper chopped in chunks as well. Then I will follow up by give it a stir, then follow up by adding in the remaining marinade earlier on. Then I will carry on stirring. As you guys can notice, the marinade is becoming thicker, and that is because of the corn flour. And at this point, we are not trying to fully cook the vegetables. It's all about having the vegetables warm and still retain the crunchy part of the vegetables. It's time to now add in our beef and give it another quick stir just to warm up everything. And voila, there you go, guys. Our stir fried pepper steak is done. How yummy that looks. So guys, so this is the end of the video. The food is done, and I'm going to be serving this with some white boiled rice, and I'll have a video that I've already uploaded on YouTube about how I cook my boiled rice, and I will link the video at the end of this video so you guys can see how I make my rice. Alright, friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in a comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay, friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.